everyone, my name is Satvik of Branch Computer Science and Engineering, Section C, roll number 20951A05G4. The topic which I got for Tech Talk is Need for Transformer Maintenance. In my talk, I will be covering what is a transformer, applications of a transformer, need for transformer maintenance. What is a transformer? A transformer is a passive electrical device that transfers electric energy from one electrical circuit to another or multiple circuits. A varying current in any one coil of the transformer produces a varying magnetic flux in the transformer's core, which induces a varying electromotive force across any other coils wound around the same core. Electrical energy can be transferred between separate coils without a metallic connection between the two circuits. Transformers are most commonly used for increasing low AC voltages at high current, a step-up transformer, or decreasing high AC voltages at low current, a step-down transformer in electric power applications, and for coupling the stages of signal processing circuits. Transformers can also be used for isolation, where the voltage in equals the voltage out, with separate coils not electrically bonded to one another. Applications of a transformer. Transformers are used as generators in apartments, inverter, stabilizers to supply electricity to houses, etc. Types of transformer maintenance. Preventive maintenance, also known as PM. Corrective maintenance, where equipment is repaired or replaced after wear, malfunction, or breakdown. Predictive maintenance, which uses sensor data to monitor a system, then continuously evaluates it against historical trends to predict failure before it occurs. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a routine for periodically inspecting with goal of nothing small problems and fixing them before major ones develop. Ideally, nothing breaks down. The main goal behind PM is for the equipment to make it from one planned service to the next planned service without any failures caused by fatigue, neglect, or normal wear, which planned maintenance and condition based maintenance help to achieve by replacing worn components before they actually fail. Maintenance activities include partial or complete overhauls at specified periods, oil changes, lubrication, minor adjustments, and so on. In addition, workers can record equipment deterioration so they know to replace or repair worn parts before they cause system failure. Planned maintenance. Planned preventive maintenance, more commonly referred to as simply planned maintenance or scheduled maintenance, is any variety of scheduled maintenance to an object or item of equipment. Specifically, planned maintenance is a scheduled service visit carried out by a competent and suitable agent to ensure that an item of equipment is operating correctly and to therefore avoid any unscheduled breakdown and downtime. The key factor as to when and why this work is being done is timing and involves a service resource or facility being unavailable. By contrast, condition-based maintenance is not directly based on equipment age. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance techniques are designed to help and determine the condition of in-service equipment in order to estimate when maintenance should be performed. This approach promises cost savings over routine or time-based preventive maintenance because tasks are performed only when warranted. Thus, it is regarded as condition-based maintenance carried out as suggested by estimations of the degradation state of an item. Condition-based maintenance. Condition-based maintenance, shortly described, is described as maintenance when need arises. albeit chronological much older. It is considered one section of the practice inside the broader and newer predictive maintenance field where new AI technologies and connective abilities are put to action, and where the acronym CBM is more often used to describe condition based monitoring rather than the maintenance itself. CBM maintenance is performed after one or more indicators show that equipment is going to fail or that equipment performance is deteriorating. This concept is applicable to mission critical systems that incorporate active redundancy and fault reporting. It is also applicable to non-mission critical systems that lack redundancy and fault reporting. Corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is a type of maintenance used for equipment after equipment breakdown or malfunction is more often most expensive. Not only can warn equipment damage other parts and cause multiple damage, but consequential repairs and replacement costs and loss of revenues due to downtime during overhaul can be significant. Rebuilding and resurfacing of equipment and infrastructure damaged by erosion and corrosion as part of corrective or preventive maintenance programs involves conventional processes such as welding and metal flame spraying, as well as engineered solutions with thermoset polymeric material. CBM advantages over planned maintenance. Improved system reliability, decreased maintenance cost, decreased number of maintenance operations causes a reduction of human error influences. Its disadvantages are high installation costs for minor equipment itself, often more than the value of the equipment. Unpredictable maintenance periods cause costs to be divided unequally. Increased number of parts that need maintenance and checking. Today, due to its cost, CBM is not used for less important parts of machinery despite obvious advantages. However, it can be found everywhere where increased reliability and safety is required, and in future will be applied even more widely. Transformer maintenance will help us in increasing efficiency of a transformer and also increase life of a. With this talk, I hope that you have gained some knowledge on need for transformer maintenance. I take leave from you. Thank you and Jai Hind.